Hello everyone, welcome to Eixart. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna recreate, or you could say copy, a thumbnail from a YouTube channel named Nazar. Recently, I noticed they have really good quality thumbnails, so I thought, why not make one? Let's see how to create thumbnails like that. This is an AI voice, but I'm hoping to do my own voiceover very soon. I'm making this in English so that anyone can enjoy and understand the video, and I think it's far better than making a video without voice. Anyway, no more backpack. Let's start today's video. These are the elements I collected from Pinterest, and we will use all of them. Let's clear all the layers first. Now we'll create a grid for the background. First, fill the blank background with black. After that, go to FX and select Frame. Inside that, you'll see these grids. Adjust the levels to get the grid you want. I was trying to make it transparent, but blending doesn't work here, so we're trying different methods. Go to Filter and select Invert Color. Now, if we set the blending mode to Screen, it becomes transparent. Let's import the photos and add them into position. But before that, I'll add a glow effect to the background. To give a perfect shape, take the rectangle tool, increase the size for smooth corners, and draw here. Now let's position it. We'll clip the logo image to our shape, just like that. I'll try giving some effects to the shape. I won't explain everything properly, but I hope you watch carefully so you can understand. Remember, I'm making this live, which means I have no fixed plan. I'm creating this from scratch with you. Cool. In the real thumbnail, there's a yellow shape behind the logo, so let's add that too. Same process. We'll take a shape and draw it. Then use Color Dodge to create the glowing effect. Nice. Now let's add the fire. We'll just find which one fits best and place it. We'll add a bit of shadow to the logo for more contrast. Now let's add money to the thumbnail since the original one has it and this video is also about money. We need to show the money flying around, so let's add that effect. Go to Effects, then Transform, and select Wave. Use the sliders to adjust the wave effect and make it look like the money is flying. I think that looks better. Let's apply the same effect to all the other money layers. Now we'll try something different. Since the logo has a money-related shape, let's add some money in the back too. Now let's merge the money layers and change their color. Open Effects and go to Color Balance. Move the sliders to find colors that match the background. Since it's mostly yellow, we'll go with something that blends in. We'll also use Level Adjustment to boost contrast. That's better. Open Effects again and apply some motion blur to the money. Now I'm just checking if we should add more. I'm duplicating them to see how it looks. I think it's better now. Let's keep it. Now let's add the text. I'll speed this part up, so keep watching. Let me tell you something here. When we have text at the bottom, or somewhere that blends into the background, it becomes unreadable. So we'll add a dark shadow under the text to give it more contrast and make it more visible. In the original thumbnail, they also used this technique. Our design is already 70% done. I'll apply the texture to the text and the overall thumbnail. Sorry, I'll speed up this part because it's hard to explain in one video. But if you guys are interested, I might make a separate video about that. After applying all the textures and repositioning everything, we got our final result. I hope you liked the full process. Though I skipped some parts by speeding up, please comment if you're interested in videos like this and let me know what kind of videos you want in the future. I'm not an expert in IbisPaint, so I might miss some techniques. If you know them, please comment so I and others can learn too. Thanks for watching. Finishing this video here. Bye.